Hello guys, in this video we will outline on how to connect an EC2 instance using SSH by using PuTTY. We will use the SSH keypad that we have already downloaded while creating the instance on AWS. So you can check out my earlier video on how to create a WordPress instance on AWS. I'll put the link on top. So now let's get started. For this we need the PM file that we have already downloaded. This is the PM file. I put it in my desktop, and we need PuTTY. So to get PuTTY you can go to putty.org, or you can just google putty.org and go to putty.org. From here download putty.exe file, either 64 or 32-bit, and download PuTTY-gen. So we are downloading PuTTY-gen because the PM file that we have already have with us, it's not supported by PuTTY. So we need PuTTY-gen to convert this PM file to a PuTTY supported file. Okay, so for that we need PuTTY-gen. So I've downloaded both and I've installed both. So I have it here on my desktop. You guys install this first and then let's start. So now you can take PuTTY-gen. You can go to load and load the PEM file. Go to all files and down and click on PEM file, open it up. Okay, now save the private key. So if you want to give a passphrase, it is good, it's more secure, I'll support that, but for this scenario, for this example, I'm not going to give a passphrase. So click on yes and save it as whatever you want, converted. So save this up. So this is a converted PPK key. So close this PuTTY-gen. Now you can go to PuTTY. Now in PuTTY we need to give three names. The first one is a host name, the second is a username that we're going to use, and the third one is a authentication key. For getting the host name, we need to go to our EC2 instance and click on connect. In this connect you can see that here you can see that our username is Ubuntu and our host name is EC2. This is a host name. Okay guys, so you can just copy this up and put it in the host name. Now go to data under connection. Under connection you can go to data, and under this username you can give Ubuntu, because that is what we saw there. Okay, so this is Ubuntu is my username. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to put it as a username. Now just expand SSH and go to auth. So this is where we must give our converted Alpha Geek PEM PPK file that we just converted right now for PuTTY. So browse that file. This is the one, and open it up. Now we need to save this settings and configuration so that it is on double click we can just log in directly into that site. For that, go to session here and give a session name, that is the, so this is my session name. I'm going to save this up and then I'm going to click on open. So guys, we have successfully authenticated right now. Now guys, we can use, I'll show you why I ask you to save the session. You can just go to the Alpha Geek and double click on it, and you'll be automatically logged in to Bitnami. Now guys, we'll see how to get the WordPress password using this session. So you can type in the command sudo cat/home Bitnami and Bitnami credentials. You can just press enter. You can see that the username and password is this. So guys, so this is how you can retrieve the password using SSH. So now we have connected to the instance using SSH, and also we have recovered the password using sudo and cat command. So guys, this is it. If there's any doubt or clearance that you want, you can just put it on the comments. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much.